Hello and welcome to Off Track Planet.
We are Ed
And Ross.
We are at Central World today in Bangkok.
The 11th largest shopping complex in the world and the largest in Thailand, sprawled over 7 levels. The artistic installation, it has hundreds of fashion, entertainment, electronics, wellness and culinary destinations.
You could find eatery on both level 6 and 7 depending on the kind of meal course you are looking for. If you are in a dire need for some quick bites, you can rush to the 6th floor and savor at stores such as Cold Stone, KFC, Mr. Donut or Pepper Lunch.
Central World soars 7th floor. The 7th floor offer whole course heavy meal at restaurants such as Central Food Hall.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
It will come as no surprise to anyone who experienced the incredible size of Central World that this is, in fact, one of the largest malls in Thailand.
Central World offers some 550,000 square meter of retail space.
There are more than 500 stores, 100 restaurants, cafes, 15 cinemas, kids zone, and learning center, and 2 anchor departmental store.
Just trying to give you something.
Central World's retail layout is influenced by the shopping street concept. Shoppers to see several storefronts at a glance, while its overall design has placed a lot of emphasis on natural light that filters through the many skylights and open walls.
Specialized anchor mega stores include Super Sports, Power by, P2S, Central Food Hall.
Among the 500 world-class stores, count 35 flagship brands. It also caters to the lifestyles of young urbanites, families and teens. Entertainment and more dining can be found on level 7 with the Central Food Hall
And the 15 screens World Cinema.
You will recognize many big brand stores here, like the world's third largest H&M for example, as in all other shopping malls in Bangkok. Tourists can get a discount card at the information office on a second floor.
This mall is open daily morning 9 am to 10 pm. A paradise for avid shoppers, this mall is a great place to visit if you are looking to do some serious buying or if you are feeling like a break from crazy street of Bangkok.
One of the most exciting shopping experience in the Thai capital. It has everything from brand name clothing, boutiques, funky fashion, high-tech gadgets, bookshops and designer furniture to imported groceries. A lineup of banks, beauty salons, eateries and even an ice skating rink. With so many tantalizing options to explore, you could easily spend half a day here. You can also find a trendy food court, an expansive supermarket and an outdoor square for large-scale events like Bangkok's official Christmas or New Year countdown party.
The location is right in the heart of Chit Lom. Central World occupied over 30% more space and land than any other shopping mall in Bangkok.
The super mall also offers a convenient sky train to two of the most important Thai shrines in the region.
Central World offer a wide spectrum of shopping experience across 7 levels, each specializing in a variety of merchandise.
Luxury clothing and styling, brand shopping,
Fashion and accessories for men and women,
kids and youth fashion shopping,
DG shopping,
home decor shopping,
children's zone,
cinema,
entertainment at Central World.
food and restaurants. This was amazing, right? Hope you like our video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again.
See you soon.